Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Tesla window durability concerns and what could be causing them based on verified information. In certain Tesla vehicles, concerns have been raised about window glass durability, including cracking, chipping, stress marks, or unexpected breakage under normal use. These issues may appear on side windows, rear glass, or roof-adjacent window areas depending on the model. Vehicle operation and safety systems generally remain unaffected, but glass damage can impact visibility, weather sealing, and occupant comfort. This behavior does not affect all vehicles and varies by model year, glass design, installation method, and operating conditions rather than indicating a universal glass defect. Verified information shows that one documented factor involves tempered and laminated glass characteristics. Tesla uses specialized automotive glass designed for strength, noise reduction, and UV protection. While durable, tempered glass can be sensitive to edge stress, localized impacts, or manufacturing tolerances, where small imperfections may lead to cracking over time rather than immediate failure. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year mileage or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Installation and body interaction behavior has also been reviewed. Vehicle body flex, door alignment, and window regulator positioning can influence how stress is distributed across the glass. As a possible contributing factor, slight misalignment or uneven pressure at mounting points could be related in some vehicles, but this is treated as a possibility rather than a confirmed cause in every case. Environmental exposure further influences durability. Rapid temperature changes, extreme heat or cold, and direct sunlight can create thermal stress within the glass. Road debris or minor stone impacts may not be immediately noticeable but can weaken glass structure over time. Usage and operational factors have also been considered. Frequent door slamming, driving on uneven surfaces, or repeated window operation may increase stress on glass edges and mounting points, particularly in frameless window designs used on many Tesla models. Corrective actions described in verified information typically include inspection of the affected glass for impact points or edge damage, checking window alignment and regulator operation, and reviewing whether the issue aligns with known service guidance. In some cases, glass replacement or adjustment of window components may be required. Reviewed information indicates that window durability concerns are not universal and often relate to glass material behavior, installation stress, environmental exposure, or usage patterns rather than a systemic manufacturing failure. In conclusion, Tesla window durability concerns are generally linked to glass material characteristics, stress distribution from body and window alignment, environmental temperature effects, and everyday usage factors rather than a widespread defect. The issue varies by vehicle and conditions, and proper inspection is necessary to determine the appropriate resolution. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.